Hello students, now it is your second exercise of rationalization. Okay, now what is the question? First question is rationalize the denominator of each of the following. It is very easy. Here denominator is root 5 which is irrational. Okay, so to convert it into rational means rationalization. For rationalization process, we remove the root in denominator. Okay, not in numerator, only denominator. Okay, so here is root 5, so we multiplied it by root 5 by root 5 because root 5 when two same roots are multiplied with each other they cancel and only the digit we write. Okay, means root 5 is actually root 25. Okay, root 5 into root 5 is equal to root 25. It means what is the square of 25 is 5. Okay, also root 2 into root 2 means 2. Okay, because root 2 root 4 which is 2. So here we multiplied root 5 by root 5, we write here. So 3 multiplied by root 5, it comes 3 root 5 by root 5 is equal to 5. Okay, now here root 2 by root 3, there is 2 root but in denominators there is root 3, so we multiplied by root 3 by root 3. So root multiply root 2 into root 3 is equal to root 6 by root 3 we write simply 3. Okay, now here 3 root 2 by root 5, here also in denominator root 5, so we write here 3 root 2 by root 5 into root 5 by root 5. Here 3 is whole number, so we multiplied root. So root 2 into root 5 root 10 by root 5 5. Now these are some more examples. 3 by root 2 root 5. Here we multiplied only root 5, not 2 root 5. Okay, so here we write root 5 by root 5, so 3 into root 5, 3 root 5 by 2 into root 5 comes 5. Okay, so 5 2 is 10, so 3 root 5 by 10. Okay, now here question number 6, root 2 plus root 5 by root 3. Root 2 plus root 5 by root 3, here in denominator root 3, so we multiplied by root 3 by root 3. So root 3 into root 2 root 6 plus root 3 into root 5 root 15. Here root 3 3. Okay, now what is the second question? Find the value of 3 places of decimal of each of the following. It is given that value of root 2 is 1.414, and value of root 3 is 1.732, value of root 5 2.236, and value of root 10 is 3.162. So what is the first question? 2 by root 3. So at first we rationalize it. Okay, to remove to remove root in denominator. Okay, so here 2 root 3 by root 3. Okay, now we put the value of root 3. What is the value of root 3? 1.732. When we multiplied with 2 we get 3.464 by 3. When we divide it by 3 we get 1.154666. So you take up to 3 digit. Okay, now this is question number 4. Root 10 plus root 15 by root 2. At first we rationalize it by multiplying root 2 by root 2. So we get 10 to the root 20 plus 15 to the root 30. Okay, and root 2. So we can write root 10 as root 2 into root 20 as a root 2 into root 10 plus 30 as root 3 into root 10, because 3 10s are 30 and 2 10s are 20. Now put the value of root 2. What is the value of root 2? 1.414 into value of root 10, 3.162. Similarly here we put the value of root 3 and here value of root 10. Now when we multiply it we get this digit, and when we multiply it we get this. We add both the digit and we divided by 2. Okay, we get this one, 4.973826. Okay, here one more question, question number 6. Root 2 minus 1 by root 5. Okay, so at first we rationalize. So here 2 5s are 10 minus 1 into root 2 means root 5. 1 into root 5 means root 5. By root 5 cancel, and here we got 5. Now value of root 10 is 6.162 minus value of root 5 is 2.236. When we subtract we got 0.926. When we divide it by 5 we got 0.1852. Okay, now there are some more questions. These are also rationalization. Express each of the following with rational denominator. It is also rationalization, but there is here only one digit, but here it is in mixed form. Okay, here whole number plus root, here whole number, here two different root, here also whole number multiplied with root minus whole number with different root. Okay, so at first we the formula of a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So we convert in this form. Okay, here suppose it is a plus b, so what we need a minus b to complete the formula. Okay, because in this formula there is square remove any roots. Okay, so here we take multiplied with root 3 minus root 2 by 3 minus root 2, same. Okay, when it multiplied with 1 it comes remain unchanged, and when it multiplied by 3 plus root 2, here 3 minus root 2. So a plus b into a minus b. We can write a square minus b square in the place of a 3 and in the place of b root 2. Okay, so square of 3 is 9 and square of root 2 is 2. Simply remove the, because root and square cancel each other. So 9 minus 2 is 7. So result is 3 minus root 2 by 7. Okay, now what is the second question? 1 by root 6 minus root 5. Similarly here a minus b is given in the form of a minus b, so we multiply it by a plus b. Okay, root 6 plus root 5. If minus is given then multiply it by plus, and plus is given then multiply it by minus. Okay, so when it multiplied with 1 no change, and here a minus b into a plus b, same formula, this one. So here we write a square minus b square. So square of root 6 is 6 and square of root 5 is 5. So 6 minus 5 means 1. There is no value in 1. Okay, so we can write root 6 minus plus root 5. Okay, now this is fourth question. 30 minus 5 root 3 minus 3 into root 5. So here we multiply it by 5 root 3 minus 3 root 5 given, so we multiply 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5. Okay, to both denominator and denominator. Here 30, so we write in this format. Okay, so here a plus b into a minus b, so we write a square minus b square. This is in compound form, so square of 5 is 25, but square of root 3 is simply 3 because root and square cancel each other. Minus square of 3 is 9 and square of root 5 is 5. Okay, 25 3 is 75 minus 9 5 is 45. Okay, here I do. So the result is 30 into 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5 by what is the difference of 75 and 45? The difference is 30. Okay, so cancel 30. So 5 root 3 plus 3 root 5 is the answer. Okay, result.